Meet the future of skincare, Exosomes plus PDRN, the bioactive revolution. What if your skin could regenerate like it did 10 years ago? What if you could wake up to fewer fine lines, more bounce, more glow, and true cellular repair? This isn't a trend. It is the power of revolutionary skincare ingredients, Exosomes plus PDRN, and it is changing the game. Exosomes are nano-sized messengers your skin cells use to communicate. They are packed with powerful growth factors and proteins, like little envelopes that deliver healing instructions to damaged or aging skin. What do? They boost collagen and elastin, repair damaged cells, reduce inflammation, and even help fade pigmentation. PDRN stands for Polydeoxyribonucleotide, a natural DNA extract that works deep inside the skin to promote regeneration. Oftentimes, PDRN is derived from salmon. However, Skin Functional uses PDRN that is purely derived from plants, keeping in line with being a completely vegan-friendly skincare brand. It binds to receptors in your skin and tells it, heal, renew, rebuild. The results: improved skin texture, deep hydration, stronger skin barrier, reduced fine lines, faster recovery from stress or treatments. Now we've taken this science and created something innovative. Some would even say extraordinary. Introducing 10% exosomes plus 4% PDRN bioactive modules. A highly concentrated serum containing 6 different types of purified exosomes and medical-grade PDRN to deliver increased collagen production, faster skin regeneration, reduced melanin for more even tone, fewer fine lines and wrinkles, deeper antioxidant protection. All-in-one silky, ultra-absorbable serum designed to bring your skin back to life. This isn't just another serum. It is a cellular-level solution. Our formula uses bioidentical signaling, purified exosomes, and PDRNs that mimics your body's own regeneration mechanisms. No fluff, no fillers, just serious skin transformation. Now for the numbers. From our clinical research, we have found a 185.8% increase in collagen synthesis, 114% increase in skin generation, a reduction in the expression of inflammatory factor NF-κB-induced UVB by 174%, a reduction in collagen-degrading enzyme MMP expression induced by oxidative stress by up to 56%, increases skin regeneration by 51.9%, inhibits melanin production by 93% by inactivating CAMP PKA signaling, the upper mechanic or melanin production, suppresses melanin production by 37.45%, protects the skin from reactive oxygen by scavenging DPPH radical by 63.98%, inhibits MMP1 by 37%. Are you ready to future-proof your skin? Try our new bioactive molecules today and experience what true regeneration feels like. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below with your questions. We're here to guide you on your skincare journey.